Airlines. Please direct your attention to the crew members and safety information card located in the seat belt in front of you as we review important safety features on our Boeing 737 aircraft. And as we prepare for takeoff and complete our final safety checks, please make sure that your seat belt is securely fastened. Seat back and tray table are in their upright and locked position. Thank you for your attention and welcome aboard. Connect to the Wi-Fi network SCA Play and follow the prompts to enjoy your media.
Sphere, if you want to go, it's over there.
Oh wow, it's way down the boondoggles.
Pink cherry. We ain't Cupid, but we hit the spot. Oh, this is cute. Some beach club.
Look at that restaurant, Deb.
Where? Maggiano's. Uh-oh, we gotta go to Maggiano's. Fashion show?
Fashion Show Mall. Is that what it is?
Maybe. There's Treasure Island.
I think I gotta turn left here to go out towards that sphere. Oh, there it is. Wow. That's pretty wild. I wasn't expecting it to be that big. My mom would like that. It looks like stained glass window. And it looks like it's hollow because you can see as it rotates, you see the reflections of the glass that's supposed to be behind it. So it makes it look like a hollow globe, like rotating around. That is pretty freaking wild.
I wonder what the inside looks like.
It's got a big, it looks like the Omni Theater. Remember how you used to watch?
Oh, yeah.
So it goes all around you. Deb and I having a couple of mimosas at breakfast before heading out to Pahrump.
we didn't have sound for the inside of the car video, so adding a little voiceover. This is turning off of North Leslie Street in Pahrump, Nevada, onto Cabot Street, if you could call this a street. Heading up the gravel road towards the property Deb and I have at the end of the road there. There is some activity building-wise going on in the vicinity. That nice house right there with a big old outbuilding, and everything is pretty new. And there's some stuff off to the right there that's getting added as well. And a little Deb on camera there, she's not too happy about it. Trying to hide her face, not being very successful at it. Okay, here we go. Trundling up the gravel road towards the property. And this is the property that my dad won playing Keno at the Golden Nugget back in about 1976, maybe 77. And they carted him out here to the desert to give him a big buffet dinner, and I think maybe even a free night at a hotel with it. And they sold him on a piece of real estate. And here it is in all of its glory. Tucked up against the mountainside on a dead-end street. So I guess he chose well in that regard. Nobody behind him, to the north of him, or to the west of him, up against the mountains, so it'd be a fairly secluded spot. And it's kind of pretty in its own kind of way, but as you all can see, not much happening in Pahrump, Nevada right now.
Dad would love that. Is that a curve?
Mm-hmm.
Professional skip rocket. I have no idea.
What are those? Hi, duckies. That's what they catch here. Where's the striped bass?
It's all the ones with the stripes, huh?
The carp have got those big whiskers, right? Right? Where are those big, where are those, what do you call those? What do you call them? Is that carp that have... Where'd it go? Oh, there it is right there.
Alright guys, so he's already ready, so you're gonna follow me and I'm gonna take you guys out.
This car is amazing. Just work on that dimmer switch gas, always gradual. And the faster we go, try to slow down your hand. Just takes a very light touch. We're gonna aim for the end of the large canopy and turn left around it. We'll be going through the dark blue cones you see over there. And then we'll make a full stop at the last orange so you can test out the brakes. I think we're the only car out there at the moment. Go ahead, enter, stay to the right. And try a shift, simple enough. You are clear to the left, we can go all the way left. We're gonna skip the 3, 2, 1 braking cones the first lap out. Look for the tiny orange for tiny brakes. Before the green cone, about 10-15 feet, we can turn it. And we'll go curb to curb on the flat parts. Drifting all the way to the right side through here. Accelerating to the orange cones. And braking straight towards the green, braking to the second cone, releasing, turning it. Turn more. To the curb on the right, run over the red and white paint. Spot the next green, play connect the dots. From here to center, then left for the green, zero brake, turn point, to the right side. Look for that braking zone coming up on the right, and brake, turning it, trail off, straight as possible, increasing gas, good, that's okay. Look for the orange on the right side, brake and downshift twice, turn point to the next greens, get wide, look left, turn in for your apex. Unwinding to the right side. Full throttle here. Shifting, left side of the track. Shifting, 3, 2, 1, hard brake, more pressure, harder, downshift. Turning in, release brake. To the right side gas. Brake straight. Second cone, releasing pressure, look for the apex, turn more. Patience with the gas, careful. Stay tight. Shifting the fourth around here. To the middle, then left. Zero brake, turn point. To the right side, look for that one. Brakes here. Turning it, trail off, let it roll. Straight as you can, add gas, increase. To full throttle. Yeah. Hard brake, downshift. Turning it, trail off, let it roll. As you unwind the wheel, then add the gas. You gotta unwind before you add gas.
Okay.
Shift. Brake harder, hold it. Turning it, trail off. Good. All the way to the right side, increasing to full throttle. Brake straight to the second cone, trailing off, turning in. Patience, yeah, increasing. Stay tight, increasing. To the middle, then left, adding gas. To the right side. throttle. Hard brake, downshift. Turning and releasing, let it roll. Unwinding. Adding gas. Yeah, better. Hard brake up front, downshift 1. As you're turning in, trail off, let it roll. Good. Almost to the white line, adding gas. To full. Braking straight to the second cone. Trailing off. Turning in, small gas, squeezing on. Try to get closer to the apex there.
Good.
You can run over the paint here. Increasing. To middle, then left, adding gas, full throttle. Medium right. Yeah, good. And brake. Turning in, trail off, let it roll. Adding gas. To full throttle, straight as possible. Hard brake, downshift. Releasing, you're locking a little, you feel that?
Yeah.
Just release 2% till you're not locking. Right side all the way. Add gas, 100%. Feel that power.
Yeah.
Hard up front, downshift 1. As you turn in, trail off, let it roll. And try to avoid those raised curves.
Okay.
Stay on those flat parts. Adding gas, full throttle. Braking straight to the second one. Slow release, turning in. More angle, turn more. Yes. Turning in. Smooth gas. Increasing to full. Turning right, go medium. And brake. Turning in, trailing off, let it roll. Adding gas. 100%. Hard brake, downshift. Turning in, trailing off. Spot that apex, run over the paint next time. All the way to the right. Unwind, unwind. Hard brake, downshift. Turn in, release brake. Right side, add gas. Full gas. Hard brake, slow steer, second cone. Trail off, turn in. Get close to the inside. Unwinding. Spot your next cone. Smooth gas. To middle, then left. Add gas here. Turn point. To the right, medium. And brake straight, firm. Turning in. Trail off, let it roll. Adding gas. Try to avoid those.
Oh, sorry.
Increase, it's okay. Brake and then downshift. Trailing off, let it roll. Tight to the apex. Unwinding, add gas. Yeah. Full throttle, good. Hard, down. Turning, releasing. Adding gas, full throttle. Hard brake, slow steer, releasing slow, turning in more, angle. Careful. Increasing.
Got a little wide on
A
that
little
one.
wide, yeah. We kept it on the track though, it's alright. To the right, medium gas, right side. And brake, turning in, trail off. Right, hit your marks, be smooth, bring it home.
Awesome.
We'll go to the right. You can brake in downshift to second gear, 2 gears down. Exiting through those white cones straight ahead. Great job. What'd you think?
It was fun, man.
You like the car?
Yeah.
Was my coaching instruction helpful for you?
Oh, yeah.
Good. You got better and better out there, lap by lap. This takes a lot of laps.
Yeah, I imagine.
Do you have any questions? How can I help you go faster? This takes a lot of laps, of course.
Yeah, other
A lot
than
of seat
doing
time.
hundreds of laps
Yeah.
out here, I mean, yeah, that was fun as hell.
Let's park this car in a different spot. We'll go straight through here. And then we'll go through the middle of this big canopy. And we'll try to park it underneath here. Let's see what spot's available. Let's park after the Aston Martin. I think there's some people there. Just watch out for the people.
Sure.
Got plenty of room, looks like, just so we can pull through for the next student. That'd be pretty good. I'll put the car in park here as we get stopped. And we can unwind to straight. A little to the right, yep. And I'll give you a video here in a moment.